See, it's a decision by the makers of the show, and I think whatever they're doing is best for the show, because यहाँ तक भी हम उन्हीं की बदौलत पहुँचे हैं. Obviously, it's I'm also feeling bad that my fans won't be able to see me again in Madhubala, but I think it's good for the life of the show, and obviously my fans would not expect me to play a father to a 25-year-old, where me being 25-year-old in real life. So I won't be convincing enough to play a father, which is why it's a mutual decision taken between me and the producer and the channel. Well, let's leave it to the future. फिलहाल तो मैं 1 महीने के ब्रेक पे जा रहा हूँ. कोई आ रहा है मेरे साथ? So I'm on a 1 month. Once I get done with Madhubala, I'm on a 1 month break where I'll spend a lot of time. मैं अपने परिवार के साथ अपने होम टाउन में, बॉम्बे में, पुणे में मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करूँगा, जो मैं पिछले 1.5-2 साल में मैंने नहीं किया है ठीक से. सो उसके बाद देखेंगे कि what God's got in store. See, I don't think so there's any confirmation onto this.
आपने फाइनल कर लिया? अभी जैसे मैंने बताया कि भी बहुत सारा काम बाकी है. किस तरीके की स्टोरी होगी, किस तरीके के किरदार होंगे, उस किरदार में कौन फिट बैठेगा, उसमें करमवीर वोरा है या ए और बी है, सी है, ये अभी थोड़ा कहना मुश्किल है. बट जो भी इस किरदार को अच्छी तरीके से निभा पाएगा हम उसी को लेंगे, जिसका मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग अगले हफ्ते आपको इसके बारे में ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी दे पाएंगे. फिल्में मिलेंगी, अच्छा लगेगा.
Which actor in this industry would say no to films? I said I leave it to my destiny, and it's a very big statement or a saying to say by an actor. I'm a very small actor. I'm a small time actor, and I should not be saying that I will make my own destiny. I think there's only one Almighty in this world who makes everyone's destiny. You just follow it. It is just a saying. It's said in poetry. There's nothing in real life called you making your destiny yourself. See, it's got into my blood, and it's very difficult to take it out of my body. So RK will always remain closest to my heart, because it's one of the bestest character, and I always thank him and the entire team of Madhubala and Colors, and obviously Mr. Saurabh Tiwari, that these guys thought that I would fit the bill, despite of people coming and telling them that Vivian Desena is a wooden-faced actor and he would not suit the character, he would not be able to pull it off. But I think it's the faith, it's the positivity in them which made them believe that no, we should go ahead with him and give him a chance. And God was kind enough to us that He gave us a chance, and we worked it out. Acting, a lot of good scenes, a lot of I have actually, to be very honest, I thought once upon a time that I cannot act at all, and by doing Madhubala Ek Ishq Ek Junoon, मैंने दिन दर दिन रियलाइज़ किया है कि नो, इट्स गेटिंग इनटू माय ब्लड, और वो पैशन बनता चला गया. एंड अपने अंदर के एक्टर को बाहर निकाल के स्क्रीन पे लाने का मौका आई थिंक मुझे मधुबाला में मिला. एंड ऑब्वियसली द काइंड ऑफ सीन्स वी हैव डन इन द शो, द हाई ड्रामा, द रोमांस, द एक्शन, तो इट गिव्स यू मोर देन अ मोटिवेशन. तो इस शो ने मुझे एक्टिंग सिखाई.
पहले गिर जाने तो फिर देखेंगे. अभी हमने देखिए, मैंने पहले भी जैसे बोला कि टीआरपी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है हर शो के परफॉर्मेंस को लेके, और कहीं ना कहीं ये लीप लेने का वो भी एक कारण है. जिस हाई पॉइंट पे मधुबाला एक टाइम पे था, आज उस स्टेज पे नहीं है, तो एक कोशिश है शो में दोबारा जान डालने की. सो वी फील दैट देयर इज डेफिनेटली पोटेंशियल इन द ब्रांड. पीपल लव मधुबाला. Yes, they have been associated with RK and Madhubala and Drishti, for such a long time. I'm sure they'll miss it, but the kind of story which we're working on, the kind of characters we're trying to create, I'm sure people will appreciate it. And if people reject us, then they are the eventual judge, right? So we can't really complain. But we'll continue to evolve ourselves and see where it takes us. If the story demands, for sure. Okay. We are not removing Vivian because TRP is not. Today, because Vivian is there, we still, so a character, yes, plays an important role for a TRP, but not just the character which plays an important role to get the TRP in place. So yeah, maybe if the story demands to Vivian to come back, we will bring him back.
See, it's a collective effort by the story, by the execution, by the whole creative team working on it, by the whole channel team working on it. You know, you decide a plot. That's why, you know, why only 2 people don't come and shoot the whole thing and telecast it. Why there's so many people to do different jobs and different aspects of the show. Yeah, they collectively come together and try to create something which is magical and which shows magic. Henceforth, we see the ratings if magic is created. So it's not a particular character which gets TRP. I would not believe in the fact saying that RK रहता है तो TRP रहती है. Sorry boss. It's not only RK. There are other characters, there are other people who are working day and night, putting in their blood and sweat, who are collectively working as hard as the actors. It's just that you're seeing actors because they're more exposed to the world through the medium of media. But other people who are not even known that okay, this A person works on a show or B person works on a show. You don't know the editor is, you know, he's not slept for 3 days because he was editing 2 episodes. You don't know that.
चलो मैं विवियन के साथ एक नया शो लॉन्च करता हूँ, तुम मुझे TRP अंडर राइट करो बॉस. हाँ, नहीं हो सकता ना. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि एक शो में बहुत कुछ लगता है बनाने के लिए. किरदार, कौन कौन से किरदार उसके साथ है. अक्षय कुमार डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस ऑफ द बॉक्स ऑफिस, नो. So if it's everything collectively which works around the show or the film for that matter of fact. So we are making that effort. I'm sure that, you know, we as a makers believe in the product and have all the potential to bring it back where it was before.